Hello everyone, welcome to the 72 Dragons Health Channel. I am Dr. Pietro Aparicio. We are reporting on the World Health Assembly 2024's latest advancements in global health. Today, we will discuss the empowerment of women's health through powerful partnerships aimed at achieving equity. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, women's health is critical to global health, requiring dedicated efforts to address disparities and promote gender equity. By forming strategic partnerships, the community can ensure women have equal access to quality health care, including maternal and reproductive health services, preventive care, and disease treatment. The National Institute of Health, NIH, states that women's health equity ensures all women have equal opportunities to achieve optimal health. Despite medical advancements, women continue to face higher rates of chronic pain, depression, autoimmune diseases, osteoporosis, and dementia, along with under-researched conditions like endometriosis. The rising rates of maternal morbidity and mortality highlight the critical need for dedicated women's health research. Ensuring equitable access to health care for women also involves addressing systemic barriers and cultural norms that hinder progress. This requires developing and implementing policies that promote gender equality, protect women's rights, and provide safe and respectful care environments. At the 2024 World Health Assembly, empowering women's health is a key focus area, marking a significant step forward in global health priorities. The World Health Assembly advocates for stronger women's health policies, increased funding for women's health programs, and integration of women's health into universal health coverage. During the World Health Assembly 2024, a side event was held on May 30, 2024, titled Menstrual Health and Hygiene: Self-Care from Policy to Action. This event aimed to highlight the multidimensional impact of menstrual health and hygiene. This event underscored the need for worldwide policies and initiatives to support menstrual health and hygiene. Empowering women's health is fundamental to advancing global health care and achieving health equity. Through powerful partnerships and concerted efforts, the World Health Assembly 2024 aims to ensure women receive the care and support they need to lead healthy, fulfilling lives. Let's continue championing women's health and working towards a more equitable future. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable information. Thanks for watching.